Hello everybody. So this video was recorded a few days ago and I was supposed to be talking through it, but I was rushing and everything I said made 0 sense. So I was going to do a voiceover. So I wanted to say hello, welcome back to the channel. I still have the wig on, I'm about to take it off and put it back on. But yeah, so enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I got this wig from V Show Hair and I already had bleached the knots and all of that, but I didn't do that in the video because again I was rushing and I didn't really have time to record the process. I'll do another video. But this is me brushing my edges back because you don't want to get your edges snatched because that is not okay. And I'm getting my makeup. I'll put the picture of the makeup in the corner so you can know what I used. But I'm just putting that on the front of, give it a nice little coloration because she was a little light and I did not look that color. So yeah, and now I had to hook the back because I got a tiny head and I got to make sure my wigs fit so it don't fly off and I'd be embarrassed. But anyways, yeah, so now I'm just brushing it, no, I'm combing it all back and I'm cutting off the ears. I can't really tell you guys how to do this. You really just have to figure it out when you put it on your head because everyone's ear shape is different. So just cut off the lace so that your ears can be through it so it's not covering your ears because that would be very uncomfortable. Okay, now I'm about to do this next part and I'm going to explain to you because I kind of did it very, very wrong. So when you cut the lace, do not cut it so far up because when you cut off the lace, it'll be like little indents and you do not want that. That looks really weird. And also, when I put the glue on, you're supposed to put it all over your forehead, not just in one area at a time, but do it all at one time. And then only blow dry one area so that you can lay that middle lace section down. And by the time you lay that down, the other sides will be dry and tacky, and you can lay them down without the blow dryer. And it makes it easier and it makes the lace melt better because you're not trying to do all at one time. I didn't do that and it didn't come out bad, but it could have came out better if I did it the right way. So yeah, I just put the Got to Be Glue gel on there and then later on I put the freeze spray on top of it, but my camera cut off and it didn't get that part. I am so sorry. But yeah, so you see me laying it down or whatever, brushing it back with the comb, and then I did the other sides, and that's when I realized I did it wrong. Well, I was wrong. It actually did catch me putting the freeze spray on there, which is great because y'all see how I did it. So yes, always, if you're going to use the glue, use the freeze spray. It works a lot better. You will not regret it. Now I'm going to put my bandana on. I love the bandana. A lot of people use an elastic band, but my bandana works just fine. And I let it sit for a little while I let my hair dry, and then after I let it sit, I came back and I blow dried it and then took the bandana off. And the lace was all nice and melted, but because of the way I did it, when I did it wrong, it lifted a little bit. And yeah, just make sure you do it the right way. I'll do another video of me doing it the correct way because I haven't done this in over a year. So yeah, girl. So to just make sure that the lace was secure, I sprayed some freeze spray and then laid the bandana back on my lace. Then I got ready and came back and took the bandana off, and I did have a lot of stuff on my forehead which looked really weird and disgusting. But before I washed it off, I put some makeup on the lace. Then I went to the bathroom and took it off, but I left the room to do that because I needed to get a lot closer to my lace to make sure that I didn't put water on it and lift it. But now I am just parting my hair in the middle part and doing the edges grew because that is a very important part of the frontal. Some people don't like edges, but I so girls like edges so greasy. So whoopity whoop whoop. And I am sure that this lace was pre-plucked because I didn't need to do any plucking. I could have did more plucking to make it look more natural, but it looked fine to me. So I didn't pluck it, I only plucked the parts to make it a little wider. I also later went in with a hot comb to make it flatter because it was levitating a little bit and we don't want that. Okay, so I'm done. I'm in the bathroom, show the lighting or whatever. I'm not gonna get too close because I haven't done this in a year, and the lace is not the best. It's not on arrogant tape, but it's pretty good. As you guys can see, it's acceptable. This was supposed to be part of a vlog, but I didn't actually vlog my party. So these are some pictures of the lace, you guys. You like it? Yeah, I love you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.